What's up, you guys? I'm Austin. I'm doing a series how to start your own business from nothing. This is day like 70. So I got a garage now. We had to fix it up. So I'm gathering tools that I can use. We're going to move this machine right there. So I got to clean all this up. So if you guys want to see what I do next, so we're going to do like a little series on cleaning the garage and stuff up. So if you guys want to hit that like button and follow, I'm going to get a bar light right here. Get these lights in, energy savers. Machine's going over there. Get the tools organized. I'm going to get me like a little logo thing that goes right there. It's gonna be cool, man. I gotta fix the door, gather some tools together. If you guys are interested in seeing what I do next, keep on following and also watch the full video so that way more people can get, more viewers can come in and see the series. Let's get it. Clean it inside. We need some music. Where's the music at?
What is he high on?
What? I'm trying to have fun. Life is short. So we can load this up with some tires and get them out of here. That could have blew up. Only thing is, with these right here, I'm gonna have the guy that helped me, my friend, to give me a hand with these. These are way too heavy. So I'm making a little spot over there to put everything in the very back corner. I'd like to keep this open right here because later on we're going to do like engine installs and stuff like that. All right, we got this area cleaned up. Now I'm going to work on this spot right here, which is where the good stuff is. This is where the good stuff's going to happen. We got our power, we got our air, stuff that I'm going to use, dolly, stuff like that. And this whole table's going to be cleared out because this is metal. This is expensive table to work on, like engines, whatever you have, man. You got your vice grips, all that good stuff, y'all. Let's go, roll it. Let's start by organizing this stuff right here. This right here can get out the way. All right, so we're not wasting no time, you guys. Look, it's coming together. So I'm taking the tools and stuff that I can use, wrapping them up and making it all organized, putting it in a little tote over here. All right, for the next part, we got some Dawn dish liquid everywhere. I'm going to scrub everything, all that, this little area right here. Just for right now, I'm gonna try to get this stuff up too. So I'm just gonna use Dawn dish liquid. Wash my hands. Hey, nobody can call me lazy, man, because I get stuff done. Never call man lazy, okay? Especially when he's out here doing this, working 9 to 5, and taking care of customers all day. Trying to do as much as you can to look out for people, and at the same time, gotta look out for myself. So, life is a bitch, but give a man a break, okay? Because listen, how many people are out here doing this? How many people? Let me know. I need to know in the comments. Please let me know. And I hope to inspire you to do your own thing. Let's get it. Now we gotta rinse everything off. Clean the table off in between these cracks and stuff. Also, I just got a good idea. I'm gonna paint this right here. Just this part you don't wanna paint because it goes in and out. Probably paint this table later on. Probably paint it. I need to grease this right here. Boom, boom. All right, now let's rinse everything off. All right, you guys, so day one of fixing the hoarder garage. Here's what we got completed. So we got all the table and everything cleared off this area. I swept and I put some Dawn dish liquid down, scrubbed it all up. We got some stuff. This is scrap. Take that out. I organized. And don't forget about the final touch, the Browns flag. Don't forget about the Browns flag now. Come on. All right, and then I'm gonna need a hand with that stuff, putting it in the corner. These tires go out. Get this machine started, put some hydraulic fluid in there, move the machine over. We got to work on it later on, doing those seals in the arms, so we have to drop those arms. I'm letting this soak through the night. Got the tools over here. I'm going to organize all the tools, get them together, see what all we can use. We got a grinder, we got the drill, we got the good stuff, y'all, the good stuff, all right? It needs to be cleaned up though. All this needs to be cleaned. Got our grease guns. We even got this right here will come in handy for everything. Yeah, you know what that is? That's like a jackhammer. Small one though, it's a little jackhammer. All right, thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the video, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you're enjoying the series because it's going to get good. It's getting good.